everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. This is filmed a little bit differently to normal, but I've got the Lookfantastic Beauty Easter egg for 2025 and I've just filmed a reel, and as it's all set up ready, I just thought I'd just flip my camera over and do a little video for YouTube as well. You'll find links to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look. So this beauty egg then, which you can see in front of you, it has a value of £205. It retails for £60. Subscribers can get 15% off at checkout. But Lookfantastic have given me a code to share with you, which is Claire Egg, and that will entitle non-subscribers to get the egg for £55. There are 7 products in total, including a little freebie. So starting off, we have got Medicate. This is the Vitamin C-Tetra Serum. It retails for £39. I absolutely adore this brand, as a lot of you already know. I wear this all the time, so when I receive it in beauty boxes I get really excited, because obviously it's quite a pricey brand, but yeah, it's a really good vitamin C serum. It helps diminish dark spots, fine lines and pigmentation. Yeah, it's a great product. Then we've got Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This is a night cream. It's hydrating cream. It claims to give a radiant, firmer looking skin, and this is 15 mils, so it's a little mini. It's worth £43. Then we got a mascara. This is from Anastasia Beverley Hills. This is Lash Sculpt Mascara. It retails for £27. And I've got really short, straight lashes. I'm not wearing any false lashes today. It's a nice one. It's not thick and clumpy, but I can build a good lash with it. Then we got a lip oil from Rodial. This retails for £27. It feels amazing on my lips. It's supposed to help volumize your pout, and also it contains collagen as well. I've got a lip stain on my lips at the moment, so I made sure that nothing could transfer, and then I applied the lip oil on top, and it's still going strong. This is like an hour or so later. It's a really gorgeous lip oil. Down in the front here, we have got, let me turn this around there. We have got Iconic London. This is Luscious Glow Baked Highlighter. There's a mixture of shades in there. I just swirled it all together and applied it on my cheeks. Hopefully you can see in the video. This retails for £28. All you lot that have been following me for a while, you'll know that I don't like anything that is too full on. This is quite full on, but it's a very pretty full on. I mean, full on is in my daytime makeup. I usually like to wear my makeup toned down a bit, but if I'm going out, a special occasion, a day out somewhere, then I do like to wear more makeup, and this one is really pretty. It's got a gorgeous rosy tint to it, and yeah, it's just really nice. I really like it, and easy to apply as well. Then we've got the Sol de Janeiro. This is Delicia Drench. It contains notes of plum, vanilla and sandalwood. I had to remember. It's a luxurious thick cream. I love it. I absolutely love it. I've got a few Delicia Drench products coming at the moment, which you'll see on my channel soon. But yeah, it smells amazing. It's just nice and thick. It's a really nice cream. This is obviously a little mini one, but that is worth £10. We got the Colour Wow Money Mist. This is a hydrating leave-in conditioning spray. It retails for £29.50. It's infused with marine extracts to encourage bouncy, glossy hair. I've never tried it before, so I'm excited to give that a go. And then as an added extra, we have got Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It's a little sample. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this egg this year? Are you going to buy it, or are you watching this not sure what to do? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.